Today we will begin the chapter Linear Inequation. I will give you a short introduction to make the concept clear. Afterwards, we will start to solving the problems. In this chapter, 3 or 4 marks, 1 questions will come in section A. If x and y are two quantities, in equation case, we can write x equal to y. In inequation case, we can write either x greater than y, x greater than or equal to y, x less than y, or x less than or equal to y. The sign greater than or equal to, less than or equal to are called sign of inequality. Examples of inequation: x plus 5 greater than 3, x minus 7 less than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to 5. These all are the examples of inequation. Why we are called these all are as linear inequation? See the power of x. Here the power of x is 1. Here also the power of x is 1. So we can call all these inequations are as linear inequation. Next, solving a given linear inequation. Solving a linear inequation. To solve a linear inequation means find the value or values of the variable used in it. So for solving a linear inequation, we should follow some certain rules. The rules are: first one, x plus 5 greater than 3. That means the first rule is, on transferring a positive term from one side of an inequation to its other side, the positive sign becomes negative. X plus 5 greater than 3, which implies x greater than 3 minus 5. Or another case, x plus 7 less than or equal to 2, which implies x less than or equal to 2 minus 7. And second rule, x minus 3 greater than 7. On transferring a negative term from one side of an inequation to its other side, the negative sign becomes positive, which implies x greater than 7 plus 3. And next rule, x greater than or equal to 5. Each term of an inequation be multiplied or divided by a same positive number, the sign of inequation remains the same. X greater than or equal to 5 in this case, 3 into x greater than or equal to 3 into 5. Or x divided by 3 greater than or equal to 5 divided by 3. And next, fourth rule, x less than or equal to 7. If each term of the linear inequation be multiplied or divided by a same negative number, the sign of inequality get reversed. So in this case, minus 3 into x greater than or equal to minus 3 into 7. In division case, in the case of division, x by minus 3 greater than or equal to 7 by minus 3. And fifth rule is minus 3x less than or equal to 5. That means the sign of both the sides of an inequation is changed when the sign of inequality gets reversed. So in this case, x, 3x greater than or equal to minus 5. That means if the sign of both the terms of an inequation, if the sign of both the terms of an inequation is changed, the sign of inequality gets reversed. And the next last rule is sixth one. If x greater than y, take reciprocal on both sides of this inequation, then we will get 1 by x less than 1 by y. That means in reciprocal case, the sign of inequality gets reversed. Then another case also, x less than or equal to y. Take the reciprocal. So in this case, 1 by x greater than or equal to 1 by y. These are the rules of solving a linear inequation. Next, what is replacement set and solution set? Replacement set and solution set. First one is the replacement set. What is replacement set? A set from which the value of the variable is to be chosen, that is called replacement set, and its subset from which the values which satisfies the given linear inequation, that is called solution set. For example, let the given inequation be x less than or equal to 3. Let the given inequation be x less than or equal to 3 if the replacement set x equal to n. If the replacement set x equal to n. What is n? N denoted by the natural numbers. Natural numbers means that is the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. What is the solution set of this inequation? Solution set equal to set 1, 2, 3. Next, in case of x equal to w, w denoted by whole number. What is whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So what is the solution set? Solution set equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. And next, in case of integer, integer is denoted by I or z. What are integers? Integers means positive natural numbers, negative natural numbers, and 0. So the solution set of this inequation is x less than or equal to 3, etc. minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And next, in case of real number is denoted by R. R means the set of real numbers. So in real number case, the solution set can only be described in set builder form. What is set builder form? Set builder form already you have learned in set, chapter set, x such that x belongs to R, so etc. So in this case, in this inequation case, we can write the solution set equal to x such that x belongs to R and x less than or equal to 3. Solution set in case of real number we can describe only in set builder form. So in this integration case we can write the solution set x such that x belongs to R and x less than or equal to 3. I hope that all of you understood this one. Let us solve a few questions. First question is solve the inequation. First one, 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12 x belongs to natural number. First question is 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12. X belongs to natural number. Solve and find the solution set of this inequation. How we can solve this one? Here minus 2x is here and here x is here. We can keep all the variables on one side and all the numbers on another side. So we can write this one 3 plus 12 greater than or equal to x plus 2x. Here this right side minus 12 is there. So this minus 12 we can keep on this right left side. So minus become plus. 3 plus 12 greater than or equal to x plus 2x. Then which implies 15 greater than or equal to 3x. Which implies 15 by 3 greater than or equal to x. We can cancel this one. Then 5 greater than or equal to x. This one we can write x less than or equal to 5. So x less than or equal to 5, x belongs to natural number. The solution set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next question. If the replacement set is a set of real numbers, solve. Second question. X plus 3 by 8 less than x minus 3 by 5. Replacement set is the set of real numbers. Solve and find the solution set. Here first we can cross multiply. 5 into x plus 3 less than 8 into x minus 3. Which implies 5x, remove the bracket, multiply both sides. 5x plus 15 less than 8x minus 24. Next we keep all the variables on one side and numbers on the another side. So here minus 24 is here. Then 24 plus 50 less than 8x minus 5x. Which implies 39 less than 3x. Which implies 39 by 3 less than x. So we can cancel it. Which implies 13 less than x. So this one we can write x greater than 30. Replacement set is the set of real numbers. So we can write the solution set is. So we can write the solution set in set builder form. Set x such that x belongs to real number and x greater than 30. So the solution set is x such that x belongs to real number and x greater than 30. Then next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 5 minus 2x less than 5 and 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3x where x belongs to integer. Find the smallest value of x. So in this case first we can convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 minus 2x less than 11 by 2 minus 5 by 3x. And next 5 by 3x minus 2x less than 11 by 2 minus 5. The next we can take the LCM. LCM of the left side is 3. 5x minus 6x less than 11 minus 10 by 2. Then this become minus x by 3 less than 1 by 2. Cross multiply minus 2x less than 3 which implies x greater than minus 3 by 2. So when you will get in improper fraction, don't keep in this way. You can convert improper fraction either in mixed fraction or decimal form. So here we can write x greater than minus 1.5. So here what will we find? Find the smallest integer. So what is the solution set here? Solution set equal to x greater than minus 1.5. Solution set is minus 1, 0, 1, etc. So what will be finding here? Find the smallest integer. Therefore, the smallest value of x is x equal to -1. Next question. Find the largest value of x orbits. Find the largest value of x orbits. 2 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 9 minus x. X belongs to whole number. Find the largest value of x. Here we can multiply the left side. 2x minus 2 less than or equal to 9 minus x. Then 2x plus x less than or equal to 9 plus 2, which implies 3x less than or equal to 11, which implies x less than or equal to 11 by 3. We can convert this one into mixed fraction. 11 by 3, 3 and 2 by 3. So 3 and 2 by 3 means what is the solution set here? X less than or equal to 2 and 3 and 2 by 3. Solution set. Solution set equal to x less than or equal to 3 and 2 by 3. X belongs to whole number. So the solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then what is the largest value? Therefore, the largest value of x equal to, therefore, the largest value of x equal to 3. And next in this case, last question is, find the solution set of -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. X belongs to whole numbers. Solve and find the solution set. Here you see two inequation signs, two signs of inequality here. So this one is called double linear inequation. First we will split this inequation into two simple inequations. So we can split this one -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x, and next one 3 plus 4x less than 23. We can do in this way also, first draw a line, then this way you can do, or one after another also you can solve. Then first solve this linear inequation. So -1 minus 3 less than or equal to 4x, -4 less than or equal to 4x, this one -4 by 4 less than or equal to x, we can cancel it, which implies -1 less than or equal to x. And next solve this inequation. Here 3 minus 23, 4x less than 23 minus 3, then 4x less than 20, which implies x less than 20 by 4, that is x less than 5. Next, combine both these inequations. Here we have got -1 less than or equal to x, and here x less than 5. Combine both this inequation, we can write -1 less than or equal to x less than 5. X belongs to whole number. The inequation is -1 less than or equal to x less than 5. Therefore, the solution set is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution set. Next, representation of the solution on the number line. Representation of the solution on the number line. A real number can be used to represent the solution of the given inequation. What is a real number? It is the normal number line. When you will draw the number line, real number line, you should use scale and pencil, don't use pen. So real number line is, first draw a straight line and both the sides of, put arrow mark on both the sides of this straight line. On this line middle mark 0, right side of the 0 mark positive numbers, and left side of the 0 mark negative numbers. This one is the real number line. Next, in case of the inequation, let the inequation be x less than or equal to 5. X belongs to natural number. You know that solution set. The solution set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to represent this solution set on this number line? So the solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can mark on number line. We can mark on this way. That means on the number line above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make darkened circle. And next, in case of same inequation, x less than or equal to 5, x belongs to whole number. In this case, how we can represent this one? Solution set equal to, we know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one we can mark. So here, on the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, above that numbers, use darkened circle. Next, in same inequation case, the replacement set is x belongs to w. In x belongs to w, x less than or equal to 5, the solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, represents the solution set on a number line. Here we can represent it this way. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 on number line we can make darkened circle. Next, when the same inequation, x less than or equal to 5, x belongs to integer. In this case, what is the solution set? Solution set equal to, we know that one, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the solution set. We can represent the solution set on a number line in this way. Darken circle on the number line 5, 4, 3, etc. And this side shows this one extends to infinity. So here we have to mark 3 dots. This shows that in this side, left side, it extends to infinity. And in another example, let the inequation is set x such that minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 3. X belongs to natural number. So in this inequation case, minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 3, x belongs to natural number. The solution set is 1, 2, 3. We can represent this solution set on this number line in this way. Next, in case of real number case, minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 3, x belongs to real number. So real number case, we can represent this solution set in real number case. In this solution set, minus 3 is not included and 3 is included. So on minus 3 we can make hollow circle. Minus 3 is not included, so on minus 3 on the number line we can mark hollow circle, and 3 is included, so we can use darkened circle. And in between minus 3 and 3 also darkened. So this way we can represent this solution set on the number line. And this one in another way also we can mark. See the same question we can mark in this way also. See. Minus 3 is not included in this side. So here this side we can mark in this way. Semicircle. And next 3 is included. So above 3 we can draw like this. And then afterwards we can join it this way. So this one is another way of representation of this solution set on the number line. So I hope all of you understood this, how to mark, how to represent the solution set on the number line. Let us start solving the problems based on this. First question is, find the values of x which satisfies the inequation -2 less than or equal to 1/2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 and 5/6. X belongs to natural number. Graph the solution set on the number line. That means solve and find the solution set and represent on a number line. Here also double inequations are there. First we have to split. We should split this double inequation into two simple linear inequation. Don't do directly this one. If you will do directly, there may be a chance of error, mistakes will be there. So we can split this one into two linear inequation, two simple linear inequation. -2 less than or equal to 1/2 minus 2x by 3. And next one 1/2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 and 5/6. Then 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1/2 plus 2. 2x by 3 less than or equal to, take the LCM of right side, 1 plus 4/2. Then 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5/2. Cross multiply. 4x less than or equal to 3 into 5, 15, which implies x less than or equal to 15/4. X less than or equal to 15/4. Convert into mixed fraction or decimal form. X less than or equal to 3 and 3/4. 3 and 3/4. This one is the first inequation. And next solve this one. First convert into improper fraction. 1/2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 11/6. Next 1/2 minus 11/6 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Then take the LCM. 6 is the LCM. 3 minus 11 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Then minus 8/6 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Here we can cancel. Then minus 4/3 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Here both sides 3 is common, we can cancel it. Then next one is minus 4 less than or equal to 2x, which implies minus 4/2 less than or equal to x. And we can cancel this one. This become minus 2 less than or equal to x. Here x less than or equal to 3 and 3/4 is the inequation, and here minus 2 less than or equal to x. We can combine both these inequation. So here we will get, we can write minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 and 3/4. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 and 3/4. And x belongs to natural number. What is the solution set? The solution set equal to natural number begins from 1. So 1, 2, 3. This is the solution set. So this solution set we can mark on a number line. This way we can represent the solution set on the number line. And next question, when you will divide these numbers, that means draw a straight line. When you will draw the number line, first draw a straight line. End of the straight lines, both sides you put arrow mark. Then middle you should mark 0. Then right side of the 0 mark positive numbers. Then equally divide. These positive numbers and negative numbers you should divide equally. And next question. Solve the following equation and write the solution set and represent it on the number line. Second question, minus 3 into x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3. X belongs to real number. Solve and represent the solution set on a number line. Here also we can split this into two simple linear equation. Minus 3 into x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. And next one, 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3. Here we can remove this bracket. Left side bracket we can remove minus or multiply with minus 3. Minus 3x plus 21 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. Next, keep all the variables on. Then minus 3x plus 7x greater than or equal to 15 minus 21. 4x greater than or equal to minus 6, which implies x greater than or equal to minus 6 by 4. Which implies x greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2, which implies x greater than or equal to minus 1.5. Then we can write this one minus 1.5 less than or equal to x. And next one we can solve. Here first we can cross multiply 3 into 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1, then 45 minus 21x greater than x plus 1, then 45 minus 1 greater than x plus 21x, which implies 44 greater than 22x, which implies 44 by 22 greater than x. Here 2 greater than x, which implies x less than 2. Combine both these equations, we will get minus 1.5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Combine both these equations, we will get minus 1.5 less than or equal to x less than 2, and x belongs to real number. What is the solution set? Solution set we can write x such that x belongs to real number and minus 1.5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Next we can represent this solution set on the number line. So first draw a number line. Draw a straight line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1.5 is included there and 2 is not included there. So minus 1.5 you know, middle of minus 1 and minus 2. So less than or equal to means that is included there. And 2 is not included there. And in between on that number line also we can darken. So this way we can represent this solution set on the number line. Next, last question. Solve the following inequation and represents the solution set on the number line. Question is minus 8 and 1 by 2 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x less than or equal to 7 and 1 by 2 x belongs to integer. Solve and represents this solution set on the number line. Here also two inequations are there, so we can split this one minus 8 and 1 by 2 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x and minus 1 by 2 minus 4x less than or equal to 7 and 1 by 2. Next to solve this one, first convert into improper fraction minus 17 by 2 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x. Then 4x less than minus 1 by 2 plus 17 by 2, which implies 4x less than 16 by 2. Then x less than 8 by 4, which implies x less than 2. The next one, minus 1 by 2 minus 4x less than or equal to 15 by 2. Here, minus 1 by 2 minus 15 by 2 less than or equal to 4x. 2 is the LCM. So, minus 1 minus 15 minus 16 by 2 less than or equal to 4x. We can cancel it. Then, you will get minus 8 less than or equal to 4x. Then, this becomes minus 8 by 4 less than or equal to x. Then, this one minus 2 less than or equal to x. Here x less than 2 and here minus 2 less than or equal to x. We can combine both these equations. Then we will get minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2. X belongs to integer. So what is the solution set? Solution set minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2. Solution set is minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Next we can mark this, we can represent this solution set on the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then above this minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1 use darken circle. So this one represents minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 is the solution set of this number line. Then next one, then one simple question I will show you in another way. 3 minus 2x, this one is the last one. Then another way also we can solve this linear equation that I will show you now. 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12, x belongs to natural number. See this question. First, keep all the variables on one side and all the numbers on the another side. Here minus 2x is here and left side minus 2x and right side is x. I will take this x on left side. So this become minus x minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 12 minus 3. Then this become minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 15. And here you see what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is minus 3. So we should multiply this minus 3 on, we should divide this minus 3 on both the sides. So in that cases the sign of inequality gets reversed. So this one we can write x less than or equal to minus 15 by minus 3. Then x less than or equal to 5. So x less than or equal to 5, x belongs to natural number. What is the solution set? Solution set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this way also you can solve if the coefficient of x is negative number. So if the sign of the inequation, if each term of the inequation be divided or multiplied by a negative number, in that cases the sign of inequality reverses.